Hi there, Carl from Cleaning How To, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the Shopvac Value Series, which are the vacuums that you see boxed in front of me. Now, we are the Irish and UK distributor for Shopvac, so I have a lot of Shopvac vacuums in here and I really like the product. These guys are the entry level or base models and they are a phenomenal product for the price point. They're all 1100 watt, they come with basic but functional tooling, and they're all wet and dry vacuums. We have our 16 litre stainless steel and plastic, and we have our 20 litre stainless steel and plastic. So that basically means you've got a vacuum to suit any of your requirements for a really low price point. The packaging is really attractive. Shopvac have done a phenomenal job on their branding. Even the boxes are waxed so that if they get wet during transport they don't disintegrate. You've got great tooling inside the box. You've got your floor gulper, you've got your floor spade and a detailing tool, so basically you can use the vacuum to hoover up dirt in your garage floor or indeed pick up wet messes on your tiles or in your kitchen. And then you have the detailer nozzle for vacuuming out the car, getting right down between the car seats and stuff like that. Obviously comes with the hose and 3 poles for your floor wand. As I say, the vacuums are wet and dry, so they also come with a wet sock. This machine does not have a dry filter, it has instead a bag. So with the entry level vacuums you don't get a dry cartridge filter, you need to go up to the bigger vacuums in the Shopvac range, but these are amazing value for the money. And as I say, you've got your stainless steel and plastic tank variants, so there is a vacuum for every occasion. With that being said, I'll open the box up. As you can see, the vacuum is really neatly packaged. There's no space wasted in the box. So you get your hose, your three tubes, Look, T's are not our thing. The machine itself, carry handles, the floor gulper, and obviously the wheel assembly. The rest of the tooling should be in the vacuum itself, and it is. Okay, so that took me about 5 minutes to put together. I put the wheels in the wrong place, so I had to strip them back off and put them in the right place because I'm a man and I didn't follow the instructions. But we're good now and the machine is put together. So I've laid everything out on the table so you can see what's in the box. I'm going to clear everything off the table as I show you so that I can then turn the machine on and demo it in action. So as I say, you've got your hose, your handles for the side, which I haven't put on because I'd have been here all day. So it's 4 screws, handles in the side, and then you can lift the vacuum with the handles. Your 3 tubes, your detailer nozzle and your floor nozzle. It's a wide open spade for hoovering up a garage floor or for taking up sawdust, that sort of thing. And the bag. You have a rubberized switch so you won't electrocute yourself turning the machine on and off if you've got wet hands. So I've plugged it in, let's turn it on. Quite hard to demo on video how powerful a vacuum is, but for an 1100 watt 16 litre machine that was blowing itself around on the table, the suction was allowing me to drag the machine around by hand. So it's a really powerful little machine, especially for an entry level vacuum. Pardon the pun, but I'm a little bit blown away by the size and the power considering its entry level. There's not really much else to say about the vacuum other than suggested uses. Right now it's set up for wet extraction. So it's got the wet filter on inside it. If I want to rig it up for dry extraction, I take my bag, I line it up inside the tank. It's quite a decent sized bag too. Line it up inside the tank. That clips on. Lid back on the tank. Close the handles. And it's set up for dry extraction. The other machines are the plastic models. I'm going to grab a plastic one now just so you can have a look. So the plastic machine is exactly the same machine with exactly the same power, it's just plastic. Why you want a plastic or a stainless steel one, I don't know. Maybe you have a preference. Personally, I like the look of the little plastic one. As you can see, it's still really powerful, and it does exactly the same job as the stainless steel will do. The other two models are just bigger, so if you have a requirement for a bigger vacuum for sucking up more liquid, or indeed just want a bigger vacuum with a bigger vacuum bag inside it so you don't have to replace them as often, then I'd go for the 20-litre vacuums instead. So, Carl here from Cleaning How To with an unboxing and a review of the Shopvac value range. We have a Shopvac playlist here with other Shopvac vacuums in the range. There's ash vacuums, toolbox vacuums, and various vacuums of different sizes, which we've done reviews on in the playlist. If you'd like to see more of our videos, please do like and subscribe. Hit that bell on your way out, and any comments or questions, throw them in the box down below. Thank you for watching the video.